Can y'all guess where I'm from? Bullock, bullock. I'm sorry. Cut!
While you are pre trouble, me I take a shorty. I'm living my best life. They only back on our website. Vex cause we eating, but they the feelings. We jump on the next flight.
Hey everybody, it's Kimono. Back at it again. Yeah. And today, Road to Graduation series, gang, 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 gang. So today's video is going to be how I made my cap. I already started a couple days ago, but life is mad hectic and my job takes up most of my time, so I didn't really get to finish. But I thought it'd be cute if, you know, I did this as a arts and crafts talk with me, get ready with me. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, make my cap and show you guys how I did it and then talk along the way. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, so what's on here is like a glittery sticker paper that I got from Amazon, and this is the package that it came in. And on the back it's like an adhesive type thing, so if like I remove this white thing, it's just like it just sticks on. Just a disclaimer, I'm not an arts and crafts type of girl, so yeah. Do with that information what you will. But so I got this glittery paper, and then I got me a glue gun. Pew pew pew. Ah, shoot up the club. No, don't shoot up the club. Don't shoot up the club. Okay. What song is that from? Yeah, so I got me a glue gun. I got me some scissors, because how else are you gonna cut things with? And then I forgot what this is called. Ew, MIB yet? But I forgot what this knife is called. My friend Sierra told me what it's called. I've just been calling it a box cutter. I know this is not a box cutter, but a scalpel. My surgeon, let me cut you. No, let me stop. Jokes, guys, jokes. And then I couldn't find the proper font in Michel's that I wanted, which was pissing me off because I feel like everybody took all the good fonts. But I decided to get this sticker paper. It's clear. Yeah, it's clear. It looks white, but it's clear. And I decided that I'm just going to print out the words that I want and just paste it onto my cap, since, you know, Michel's wants to do me dirty and not have good fonts. Because they all have like blocky fonts, and I wanted mine to be like this cute script type of thing. So yeah, and I'm also going to print out some like the black power fist, and then like a black girl silhouette with a afro. I think that would look cute because black pride, the hell, this country be doing is mad dirty. Black pride, period. So yeah, as y'all can see, I'm doing the Jamaican flag because can y'all guess where I'm from? Bullock, bullock. I'm sorry. Cut! But yeah, I'm very in touch with my Jamaican side. I don't claim America. I don't care if I was born here. I don't claim this racist ass country. So yeah, the paper comes in like triangles, and triangles. I don't know my shapes. So the paper comes in like a rectangle shape. I kind of just measured it out and see how, like, because this is how I measured it. I just made a point and see where like the corners connect and where it don't connect. And yeah, that's how I got up to this stage. And then I took my scalpel, cut off the tips of the triangle so the tassel holder could be seen or be exposed, because, you know, I need to put my tassel on. Put it on the other side, period. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this yellow, because the Jamaican flag has yellow, and I'm going to just cut like a slim piece. And if you know the Jamaican flag, like the yellow goes over the diagonal parts. But I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this the tassel piece, because, you know, it can't be covered because you need to put your tassel on it. So I'm not sure if I should excuse me, if I should take like cut out a circle and then paste it on top, or just like leave the red and have it like fuck up the vibe. I don't know yet. Or maybe just cover in black. We'll see. I can take a shot for you and just cover in black. I don't know. We will see. I'm just going to cut out a very slim piece. Nothing too wild. Okay. Now I'm trying to think if like the yellow in the Jamaican flag is thick. It really just depends on the flag, in all honesty. But, and I'm just freehanding this, like I honestly just don't care. I'm like so excited to be graduating. Although COVID did fuck up my senior year, it is bittersweet. Like, I've been through a lot in college, mentally, physically, friendships wise, the works. So, you know, the fact that like I counted college as like the best time of my life. Regardless of all the drama, it was still like the best time of my life. It's bittersweet that this chapter is just like coming to an end and like kind of just being thrown into the world of adulthood. Like, I'm already paying taxes, already like, my credit's not fucked up. My credit's good. It's in the 700s. But yeah, I don't play about my credit. So these people can make me pay $600 for insurance. You're mad. I'm mad, you're mad. Please. So yeah, I'm just excited to see like this next chapter of my life and see where God takes me. I got the yellow on it, right? So I'm just gonna cut it in the shape of the corners and just snip that off. And then I got my laptop, so I'm gonna get the stickers ready and I can see the vision. Wait.
He's the blonde one, the blonde one. Ooh.
I'm not artistic. I don't.
What's the red one? What's the red thing in the middle?
Bro, that's the tassel thing. Alright, right? So now, me and my artistical cutting skills with my scalpel. I cut out a fake circle. It's really a hexagon, but who cares? I just need something to cover this red thing. So yeah, it's looking like it's looking, people.
Friday.
Oh my god. I don't know, for someone who's not artistic, who's artistically challenged.
What's that little Uzi Vert diamond in the middle?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about that Uzi Vert diamond you have in the middle of the flag. Oh, it's not red no more.
I got a PNG, or a picture with a transparent background. A black woman with an afro, and then the black fist sign because black power. Gang, 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 gang. And it's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. Oh, I'm not artistically challenged anymore. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just gonna wait for the end result because I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up. So I sized them to what I think would look, what I think would be the right size. We're gonna pray. So I'm gonna insert the sticker paper in my printer and print these out, and let's get it cracking. So I got my stuff printed out. Ooh. My fist, my black girl, and my words, or a third of my words. So let's see. This is the front, so the black girl's gonna go up here. Yeah. I wish I had like 3 cameras. 3 cameras, or is it 2? No, 3. Like, cause I like those side shots that people be having. And also like, so you guys could see what my hands are doing. Oh no! Is she sticking? Can you see her? Can she be seen? Why won't you come off? Oh, y'all don't want to see me. I'm tired. It's 1 in the morning. Oh. I wish I had like color ink so I could have colored, like put a white outline around them, but I sadly don't, because I tried that with my words, because my words are also black. But I think, oh, where's the rest of them? But I think I'm just going to glue the words down with the white background. And with that, ta-da! So it says, I am the hopes and dreams of my ancestors. I rise, because this is me. I'm a black girl. And we rise because black power. So when I put it on, like my swag, bro. You like the swag. I didn't think it was gonna turn out this good, but it did. Besides this part. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my foolishness. And if you want to see more of me, because shit, see more of me. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I wonder if this tastes good. Mind your business.